the tutorial, and I will be showing you guys how to make a balloon pop game. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to X out this one, and I'm just going to get some balloons. So I'm going to pick, maybe I'm going to duplicate it somehow. Actually, I'm going to keep one balloon for now, and I'm going to make it so that I can do all the code and costumes. Then I'm going to duplicate it so it's the same thing again. So the first thing that I want to do is maybe make a background. So I'm going to make a nice little background. I'm going to create one. So I'm going to go to backgrounds, paint a background. I want to make like a nice little square. Maybe around that long. Move it down. Pull it down. Down. Yes, right there. Okay, and I'm going to paint that one brown. So let's see, where is this brown color? Oh, that's a nice brown color. I like that brown color. I'm going to make it a bit more high. Well, not that high, of course. That's a little too high. Now, this is an optional part. I just really like customizing stuff. I think it's a nice thing to do. Except one out. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sign-like banner. So I'm going to wee, and now I'm going to type in balloon pop. Balloon pop. And that will be my banner. So I'm going to make a blue shade because I love blue. It's a really nice color. I like many colors, but blue is one of my favorites. Of course, you gotta have a favorite color. Okay, and I got the little sign. So now there's just gonna be balloons around. So I wanna X these ones out. I wanna X this one out. So now I got the balloon pop. So there's gonna be many balloons just in a row, just like this. 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. So I wanna kind of measure it out. So I'm gonna put one balloon there. I'm gonna go back to my backdrop. And I'm just gonna add a little ring to it. So maybe like right here. Yes, right there. So now I'm gonna put one here. So now I'm gonna go back to the backdrop. And I'm gonna add a little dot. That is right here. Yeah, right there, sure. And I'm just gonna do that here, here, and here. So now I can put 5 balloons that I see. So one here, one here, one here, one here, and maybe one here or something. I'll see. So yeah, that's the balloon so far. Now, which color do I want this balloon? I'm going to keep this one purple and exit out the other colors. So I'm just going to do some little design. So I'm going to duplicate this. But instead of having a balloon, I'm going to make it look like pop. So I'm going to maybe like erase a bit of this. Like this. It's about to pop. And now I'm going to go to this color. And I'm going to paint specks coming out of it because it popped. And now that looks nice, I think. That means it popped. So I'm going to go back to its original. So the first code I'm going to be putting is in the event. I'm going to do when a green flag is clicked. I'm going to make it so that it plays a sound. So I'm going to make it play sound. Maybe I'm going to look at some sounds. So I'm going to pick a carnival sound. Carnival music. What's a good carnival music sound? Make your birthday. No. There may be some songs at the bottom. Huh. Ah. So I'm gonna take codes. When green flag is clicked, start at place sound, and then I'm gonna make it. Actually, I'm gonna do this one because it's easier, and I'm gonna put it through control in a forever block. So now it should just play. Okay, so that's a good background music. So far we got this nice background music. Now I'm gonna make it so that when this sprite is clicked, switch costume to whatever the heck that is, and then I'm gonna do a wait 2 seconds. Let's see if they have that. Do they have a wait 2 seconds? Let's look through all of them. Do you guys see a wait 2 seconds? Maybe. I know I saw one before. I think it might be in events or control. I think it's in wait seconds. I'm gonna do wait 5 seconds, and then looks. Switch costume to balloon 1C. So now let's try this. That's nice so far. So far we got this amazing code, and the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it so that when the sprite is clicked, I'm gonna make a variable go up. So let's make a variable, guys. So I'll call it balloons popped. Actually, no, I'm gonna make it popped. Okay, so you can name it whatever you want. I just like that. And then I'm gonna do when this sprite is clicked, switch costume, do, and change my variable by 1. And I'm also gonna make it like this. If I click this, oh, that's why. So you gotta do popped for both of them. Popped, and now. That's a nice game, right? So that's a really nice popping game that I like. Now, I'm gonna duplicate this. So duplicate. So let's see how many balloons fits. I think I can do one more. So there you go. So now I got some nice balloons. So I'm gonna edit these balloons. I'm gonna change their costume color somehow. Clicking on it, change it to this nice little, maybe a yellow color. That's so much easier, right? You just gotta eye drop these colors. It just takes a little bit, maybe. So I want this, and then 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 this. It takes a while, but it's so worth it. It makes the balloons look so much brighter and better. Now I just need to fix that itsy bitsy little witsy thing. Okay. And that color purple. Actually, I'll just keep the purple. I think I like it. It looks nice. Now I'm gonna change this color to eye drop. color. Oh no, okay. So the first thing you want to do is go over here and I drop this color. And oh, wait. No, wait. This might take a bit of a while, but I'll fix this. Let's see. I need to eye drop both colors. I'm gonna fill it with this color. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna redo it to do that yellow color that I kind of like. And this one right here to a little dark color. Yeah, I think they're pretty similar. That should work. I drop this color. There you go. And I finished. Now, the first balloon. Now, maybe I might just want to delete one of these. And I'm just going to duplicate this one. So now we got a simple popping game. So I'm gonna drag this one over here. No, I'm gonna drag this one over here. Drag this one over here. And I'm gonna drag this one over here. So now we got a simple popping game. Let's see the reason. Let's fix that. Okay, let's fix this. I think maybe I need a reset. Yeah, there you go. So much fun. Okay, thank you so much for watching this tutorial for Balloon Pop, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!